Mabuhay! My name is Krista and welcome to Pinays Kitchen. Hi friends, welcome! Today I'm gonna show you how to make a Korean dish called Japchae, but of course a Pinays Kitchen version. But first, of course, I would like to thank all the people who subscribe in my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button below and that bell button for notifications for new videos. Thank you! I don't know if you guys haven't figured out yet, I love Korean food. I was telling my husband, I think in my past life or my future life, I don't know, my next life or my other life, I'm Korean, but I love Korean food. And this dish is one of my favorites. It's made out of glass noodles or sweet potato noodles, so actually it is healthy for you. If in the Philippines we have bihon, pancit bihon, in Korea they have japchae. It's actually almost the same, like the ingredients, like the vegetables we use, except for japchae they use peppers, and the cooking methods are different as well. It's a pretty simple dish. It just needs a lot of prepping, like a lot of cutting. But of course, when you're cooking, you have to think organization all the time. So like I have my meat here and all the seasoning, I put it in one lane, and then I have the seasoning for the noodles. It's in there, everything is together, and all my vegetable is together, and my noodles is separate, and then of course my egg. So you just have to remember organization when you're cooking. It will be easier for you that way. Alright, enough talking, let's start cooking. First thing we need to do is to soak our noodles in cold water for 40 minutes. After that, we're gonna strain the water and set it aside. So I'm gonna start with my egg here. I have 2 whole eggs. Of course, let's break that. And then this is just a simple omelette. Let's do that and then put a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. I'm gonna turn on my heat. Put that to medium. Just leave that to medium. And then I have olive oil here. I'm gonna pour a little bit. And then just make sure to swivel that around. And then let's pour that in. Pour that there and just swivel it around. My heat is in medium low. We're gonna let the top of the egg cook and then we're gonna flip it. So it's ready to flip. I'm gonna flip it real quick. Yeah. Oops. Oh, it's not perfect. I ruined my perfect omelette, y'all. I guess I'm just gonna let it cook like that. It's not that perfect, but I mean, it's not perfect. My heat is already off. Now I'm just gonna transfer the egg to a plate so we can cut it. Here it is. Let's do this. Ooh, there you go. It's not that perfect, but you know, you can still eat it. So I'm using a pasta cutter just to cut it real quick. Or strips of omelette in your noodles. It has the strips effect, you know. I think that's what's important. I think I'm good with that, right? Alright, so I'm using ground pork for this. So we're gonna marinate this. Alright. So put some soy sauce, oops, almost, and then some brown sugar and some sesame oil. Put that one there and then just add a little bit of salt, like one teaspoon, and then some pepper, and then just mix that around. This is just gonna be a quick marinade. You don't have to leave it for like hours or overnight. And if you want to make bulgogi, I have a perfect recipe for bulgogi as well. If you want to use that, I have a recipe right here. We're gonna sear this later And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna keep it on the side for now. While that's marinating, we can make the seasoning. We're gonna use soy sauce. We're gonna use soy sauce. We have brown sugar here. And then, oops, sorry, some garlic. Tons of garlic. So it's sweet, salty, garlicky, and then some pepper. Season it with pepper, and then just mix that around. Just mix it up until you know that the sugar is already dissolved. That looks ready. I'm gonna leave it there for a while, for a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. I'm gonna turn my heat to medium. I feel like it's getting too hot. And then I'm gonna add in my pork. If you want this vegetarian, you can totally skip this step. And of course, if you want to use other meat, that's fine too. You can just use the same marinade. Just make sure that your meat is cooked, because this is the only cooking process we're gonna do with the meat. See, I think my pork is cooked, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer this in a bowl and set it aside. I'm gonna use the same pan to cook the noodles, because all that brown pieces there, that's flavor, so I'm not gonna disregard that. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna add all my vegetables. My heat, there's no more heat in here, so I turn off the heat for now. I'm gonna add the vegetables, and then the mushroom, of course. I'm gonna add a 1/4 cup of olive oil and toss all my vegetables with that oil. Remember too that there's already a little bit of oil from the pork, so that oil we're not gonna disregard that. We're actually tossing our vegetables in it. So I'm gonna add my noodles in. Add the seasoning that we made earlier. That's with the garlic, tons of garlic, of course. I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of water. I wanna put that in this bowl. Yep, add it there. And that's it. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn on the heat. Turn your heat to medium and then cover it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, once we check it and still has water in it, then we're gonna reduce it. All right, 10 minutes is done, so let's check it out. Ooh, you can tell that the noodles already soften up. So now we're just gonna, of course, separate it. The noodles is very sticky, so just gonna have to be patient. Look at all that vegetables. It looks amazing, right? So there's still a little bit of liquid, so we're just gonna keep cooking it and until all that liquid reduce. All right, let's add our ground pork and keep stirring it. Like I said, if you're a vegetarian, you don't have to do the pork. You can skip that step. Actually, I want to add my egg now too, but I'm gonna leave a little bit for garnish. So add that egg. I'm just gonna keep tossing it around until, of course, all the ingredients are combined. Ooh, it's amazing, isn't it? You guys, this looks amazing. And then I'm gonna add the egg, the garnish. Oh my gosh, here's our japchae. So let's have a taste. Well, you know what? I'm gonna taste it from here like always because I still need that. Let me get some vegetables. And taste. You know what I feel like missing? Toasted sesame seed. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you can, share this video to all your friends and family. I will really appreciate it. Until then, take care, and I hope to see you guys soon. This is Krista of Pinays Kitchen, bringing flavors of Asia to your table. Thank you guys. Bye!